Hi students, I am Dr. Manisha Nagargoje. First of all, welcome to my Science and Technology channel. If you are new to this channel, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe. Students, what exactly will be the format of the common entrance examination that we will be taking for the 11th? In this video, we will see briefly what the format of the question paper of this examination. So, let's see what the format of the question paper will be reality. Students, see here, this common entrance examination of State Board will be based on the 10th syllabus. This question paper of this examination will consist of 25 marks, each in English, mathematics, science and social science. The format of the question paper will be multiple choice objective type questions. Students, this examination will be based on OMR exams. So, let's see the reality of question paper or the format of the question paper will be real. See here student, this question will be based on science. First question, that is, the gravitational force between two particles separated by the distance r varies as. The answer of this question is the option क्रमांक 4th, 1 divided by r square. Then see here the second question of the science, that is, the what will be the weight of person on the earth whose weighs 9n on the moon. First option is 3n, second option is 15n, third option is 45n and fourth option is 54n. The correct answer of this question, that is the option क्रमांक 4, that is 54n. See here question number 3rd. The number of electrons in the outermost shell of alkali metal is. The option first is 1, second option 2, third option 3 and fourth option 7. Answer of this question, the option क्रमांक first, that is 1. See here student, the fourth question of science. According to Mendeleev's periodic law, the property of elements are periodic function of their lithium, sodium, potassium. Second, calcium, strontium, barium. Third, beryllium, magnesium, calcium. And fourth option, copper, silver and gold. So see here students, according to Mendeleev's periodic law, the property of elements are periodic function of their. The answer of this question is the option क्रमांक 4th, copper, silver and gold. The fifth question, the reaction of iron nails with copper sulfate solution is dash 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 reactions. Double displacement reaction, combination reaction and decomposition reaction. So see here students, correct answer of this question, the option क्रमांक 2, the reaction of iron nails with copper sulfate solution is the displacement reaction. The question 6th, the reddish brown, the deposit formed on iron nails kept in a solution of copper sulfate is Cu2O, Cu, CuO and CuS. Means copper oxide and copper sulfate. The correct answer of this question is option क्रमांक 2, The reddish brown deposit form of iron nails kept in a solution of copper sulfate is copper. Seventh question. See here. The device used for measuring current is called. All we know that the measuring current is called an ammeter. The correct answer of this question is option क्रमांक 2, ammeter. See here students, the question number 8th. Resistance of R is 100 ohm if it carries a current of 1 ampere for 10 seconds. The heat produced will be dash 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 dash. See here, 1000 joule, 10 joule, 0.1 joule and 10,000 joule. The correct answer of this question, that is the option क्रमांक 1, 1000 joule. See here, question number 9. Dash dash is used to study the anomalous behavior of water. First option is calorimeter. Third option, Joule's apparatus. Third option, Hope's apparatus. And fourth option, thermos flask. The correct answer of this question, that is option क्रमांक 3, Hope's apparatus, is used to study the anomalous behavior of water. See here students, the question number 10. We can see the sun even when it is little below the horizon because of reflection of light, refraction of light, dispersion of light and absorption of light. The correct answer of this question, the option क्रमांक 2, that is refraction of light. We can see the sun even when it is little below the horizon because of the refraction of light. See student, the question number 11. Inside water and real bubble behave like a flat plate, like a concave lens, like a convex lens and like a concave mirror. Inside water and real bubble behave like a concave lens. The correct answer of this question, the option क्रमांक 2, like a concave lens. Then question number 12. The property of direct bonding between atoms of a same elements to form a chain is called catenation, isomerism, dehydration and polymerization. See here students, the property of direct bonding between atoms of a same elements to form a chain is called polymerization. The correct answer of this question, the option क्रमांक, option number 4th, polymerization. Then see here students, question number 13. The genetic recombination occurred in dash dash phase or prophase of a meiosis first. Liptotin, zygotin, pachytin and diplotin. The correct answer of this question, the option number 3rd, pachytin. The genetic recombination occur in pachytin phase of prophase of meiosis first. Then see here, the question number 14. The larvae of dash dash metamorphose into adult after settling down at bottom of the sea. Hemichordata, Euchordata, Cephalochordata and Cyclostomata. The answer of this question, the Euchordata. Then see here, question number 15. The dash dash bacteria decompose the xenobiotic chemical present in sewage. Hydrocarbonoclastic, decomposing, E. coli, and phenol oxidizing. Phenol oxidizing bacteria decompose the xenobiotic chemical present in sewage. The correct answer of this question, that is option number 4, phenol oxidizing. Then see here the question number 16. The property of the stem cells called diversity, equality, differentiation and pluripotophonic. See here the property of stem cells is called the pluripotophon pluripotentance. The correct answer, that is option number 4th. Then see here question number 17. Dash dash helps to improve concentration in the studies. Eatable, meditation, hobbies and sports. All we know that the meditation help to improve concentration in the studies. Correct answer of this question, that is meditation. See here the question number 18. The process of glycolysis occur in cytoplasm, mitochondria, nucleus, cell membrane. The process of glycolysis occur in cytoplasm. The correct answer of this question, the option number 1st, cytoplasm. See here the question number 19. Evolution means gradual development, exchange, transcription and differentiation. Students, evolution means the gradual development. The correct answer, the option number 1, gradual development. Then see here the question number 20. Somatic and stem cells undergoes dash dash division, meiosis, mitosis, budding, cloning. The correct answer of this question, that is mitosis. Somatic and stem cells undergo division, mitosis. The correct option, that question, that is the option number 2, mitosis. Then see here students, question number 21. Carrot and radish undergoes with the help of their roots vegetative propagation, fragmentation, budding and regeneration. The students, carrot and radish undergoes with the help of vegetative propagation. Correct option of this question, that is first, vegetative propagation. Then see here the question number 22. Solar cells are made up of a special type of material called semiconductor, such as silicon, uranium silicate and hydrogen. The solar cells are made up of special type of material called semiconductor, such as silicon. The correct answer of this question, the option number 1st, silicon. Then see here question number 23. It is a cold-blooded animal. Bat, snake, rabbit, elephant. Snake is a cold-blooded animal. Option number 2nd, snake. Then see here question number 24. In American Green Revolution, the contribution of dash 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 is very valuable. Dr. Norman Borlaug, Dr. M.S. Swaminathan, Dr. Verghese Kurian and Dr. Hargobind Singh Khurana. In American Green Revolution, contribution of the Dr. Norman Borlaug is very valuable. Then in science, the last question, 25 number, dash dash helps to improve concentration in studies. This question will be repeated. Eatable, meditation, hobbies and sport. The correct answer, that is the meditation help to improve concentration in the studies. Then see here, after the science, the 25 question of the mathematics. The 26th question. What is the value of dx for solving the simultaneous equation 3x plus 2y is equal to 11 and 7x minus 4y is equal to 9 by the Cramer's rule? The option 26, minus 26, 62 and minus 62. The correct option of this question, that is the minus 62. See here the question number 27. What is the sum of the first 10 terms? And AP. AP means arithmetic progression. 41, 36, 31, 26 and dash. You see here sum of the first 10 term. Option 635, 600, 200, 185. The correct option of this question, that is fourth, 185. Sum of the first 10 terms of AP, that is 185. Then see here 28 number. To draw the graph of 4x plus 5y is equal to 19. Find y when x is equal to 1. See here the x value, put forth in this equation and calculate the y value. And answer of this question, that is 3. The correct answer of this question, the option number 2. The answer is 3. See here the question number 29. What is the value of the for solving simultaneous equation x plus y is equal to 3 and 3x minus 2y minus 4 is equal to 0 by Cramer's rule? The correct option of this question, that is minus 5. The correct value by the Cramer's rule. Then see here question number 30. Which of the following is quadratic equation? See here the equation 5 upon x minus 3 is equal to x square. Then second option, x in bracket x minus 5 bracket close is equal to 4. Third option, n minus 1 is equal to 2 into 1. And fourth option, 1 divided by x square, 1 upon x square in bracket x plus 2 bracket close is equal to x. The correct option, that is option number 2, x in bracket x minus 5 bracket close is equal to 4. This is the quadratic equation. Then see here question number 31. Which of the following equation has roots 3 and 5? First option, x square minus 15x plus 8 is equal to 0. Second option, x square plus 3x plus 5 is equal to 0. Third option, x square plus 8x minus 15 is equal to 0. And fourth option, that is x square minus 8x plus 15 is equal to 0. So see here x square minus 8x plus 15. The equation has roots 3 and 5. So students, the correct answer of this question, the option number 4th, x square minus 8x plus 15 is equal to 0. Then see here the question number 32. Write the following quadratic equation in standard form and write the value of a, b, c. See here the equation of this question, that is the 2x square minus 5x plus 7 is equal to 0. And we write the value of a, b, c. See here 2. 2 is the value of a, minus 5, that is the value of b, and 7 the value of c. So see here students, the option number first, a is equal to 2, comma, b is equal to minus 5, comma, c is equal to 7. This is the correct answer of this question, the option number first. Then see here the question number 33. What is the common difference of AP, arithmetic progression? 2, minus 2, minus 6, minus 10, minus 4, 2, minus 2 and 4. The correct answer of this question, that is option number first, minus 4 is the common difference of arithmetic progression 2, minus 6, minus 10. Then see here students, question number 34. What is the sum of the first 5 multiplies of 3? See here 45, 55, 15, 75. The correct answer of this question, that is 45, is the sum of the first 5 multiplies of 3. Then see here the question number 35. Which of the following cannot be represented at probability? 2/3, 1.5, 15% and 0.7. The see here the correct answer of this question, the option number 2, 1.5 of the following. This cannot be represent the probability. Then see here question number 36. If P in bracket B is equal to 1 upon 3, NS is equal to 24, and then what is the NB? See here, first option 25, second option 8, third option 72 and fourth option 16. The correct answer of this question, that is option number second, 8. Then see here students, the distance between the points L in bracket 5, minus 8 bracket close and M point, that is in bracket minus 7, minus 3 bracket close is dash. This question will be for you. Please solve this question and please comment the answer in comment box. Then see here the question number 38. A side of an isosceles triangle, angle triangle is 7 cm. Find the hypotenuse. First option 14 cm, second option 7 under root 2, third option under root 14 cm and fourth option 14 under root 2 cm. The correct answer of this question, that is option number 2, 7 under root 2. Then see here students, triangle ABC is congruent triangle DEF, then AB upon DE is equal to dash dash upon EF. Option first, that is AC, second option DF, third option BC and fourth option none of these. The correct answer this question, that is option number third, BC, is divided by EF. Then see here students, question number 40. Out of the following, which is the Pythagorean triplet? Option first, that is 5, 12, 14. Second option 3, 4, 2. Third option 8, 15, 17. And fourth option 5, 5, 2. The correct answer of this question will be option number third, 8, 15, 17. These are the Pythagorean triplet. Then see here the question number 41. In a right angle triangle, if the sum of the square of sides making a right angle is the 169, then what is the length of the hypotenuse? See here, first option 15, second option 13, third option 5 and fourth option 12. The correct answer of this question, that is 13 centimeter, is the length of the hypotenuse. Then see here question number 42. If two circles are touching externally How many common tangent of the can be drawn? First, second, third and fourth. You see here students, when two circles are touching externally, then three common tangent of them can be drawn. The correct answer of this question, that is option number third, the three common tangent drawn. Then see here, the question number 43. The angle made by the tangent and then radius made up of point of contact is 0 degree, 45 degree, 90 degree, 180 degree. See here the correct answer of this question, that is option number third, 90 degree. Then question number 44. What is the measure of semicircle? All you know that the semicircle's measurement, that is 180 degree. Correct option of this question, that is the option number second, 180 degree. Then see here question number 45. The line segment joining points in bracket -3, 4 and another bracket 1, -2 bracket close is divided by y-axis in ratio. First ratio 2:3, 3:2, 3:1 and 1:3. The correct option of this question, that is option number third, 3:1 is correct answer. Then see here question number 46. A circle touches all sides of a parallelogram. So the parallelogram must be a rectangle, square, rhombus and trapezium. The correct answer of this question, that is rhombus. A circle touches all sides of the parallelogram. So the parallelogram must be a rhombus. Then see here students, find x if distance between point L and M. L point in bracket x, 7 and M in bracket 1, 15 is 10. Find the x if distance between points 7, 7 or -5, -5, 10. The correct answer of this question, that is option number second, 7 or -5. See here students, the question number 48. Find the height of an equilateral triangle PQR whose side is 8 cm. 2 under root 3 cm, 4 under root 8 cm, 4 under root 3 cm and 8 under root 2 cm. The correct answer of this question, that is option number third, 4 under root 3 cm. Then see here 49th question of mathematics, that is two poles of height 100 meters and 111 meters stand vertically upright on a surface of a level ground. If the distance between their bases is 60 meters, and what is the distance between their tops? 61 meter, 60 meter, 100 meter and 111 meter. The correct answer of this question, that is option number first, 61 meter. Then see here last question of the mathematics. Distance of point -3, 4 from the origin is 7, 1, 5, -5. The correct option of this question, that is option number third, the 5. Then see here students, now we will start the question for the English language. See here question number 51. Pick out the most effective word from the given word to be filling the blanks to make the sentence meaningfully completed. The cat and dog have dash enemy in the rats. Same, common, mutual, similar. Correct option of this question, that is option number second, B, common. Then see here students, question number 52. Select the option which contain the correct sentence among the four. There is no meaning in what you say. There is no meaning in that you say. There is no meaning as to what you say. there is no meaning that you say. The correct option of this question or correct answer of this question, that is first, there is no meaning what you say. Then see here students, question number 53, English sentence improvement question. On the basis of English sentence improvement, the boy told his teacher to explain the passage. Ask his teacher, said to his teacher, invited to his teacher, and no improvement. The correct answer of this question, that is option number first, ask his teacher. Then see here, question number 54, select most suitable alternative to fill in the blanks in the sentence to make it meaningful. Health is to improvement to be neglected, detested, despised, discarded. Correct option of this question, option number first, neglected. Then see here, question number 55. In each of the following question, choose the correctly spelled word. Committee, 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 committee. The correct spelled word, that is option number 4D, committee. COMMITTEE. Then see here students, the question number 56. Choose the correct meaning of the idioms given in the bold in sentences. After having finished the last project, I find myself at the loose end. Happy on vacation, free of trouble, with nothing to do. The correct option of this question, that is option number 4D, with nothing to do. Then see here, question number 55. Select the word or the phrases which is closest to opposite in meaning of the bold or phrases. Bold word or phrases, sorry. At this success in the examination, he felt elated, exultant, dejected, resting, and jubilant. The correct option of this question, that is option number second, be dejected. Then see here, question number 58. This question basis on the sentence formation. See here, some words are given here. We will try the exact sequence of these words will be arranged and correct sentence form. First sentence medicine, second a, third Nita, fourth given, and fifth was. You see here the correct formation of sentence, that is Nita was given a medicine. 3, 5, 4, 2, 1. These are the correct option of the correct answer. Then see here, question number 59. Mary dash a question of Mohan yesterday. Was asked, had asked, and asking. Solution of this question, this sentence in a past tense with active voice. The rules of this sentence, subject plus verb in third action plus other agents. Mary asked a question to Mohan yesterday. Then see here, question number 60. Complete the idioms. My mother said, speak of the dash as she saw him walking down the stairs. Man, woman, devil, God. The correct answer of this question, that is option number third, C, devil. Then see here, question number 61. They identify the given sentence. Oh my God, that is stunning. Identify the given sentence. Imperative sentence, exclamatory sentence, declarative sentence, and interrogative sentence. Oh my God. That is the given sentence is exclamatory sentence. Correct option of this sentence, that is second B. Then see here students. Question number 62. Complete the idioms. His name rings dash but I am unable to remember him. Bell toll, Campbell, Caim. The complete the audios. His name rings a bell, but I am unable to remember him. The correct answer of this question, that is option number first A, bell. Then see here, question number 63. They identify the given sentence. I arrive, but everyone had already left. Imperative, compound, simple sentence, complex sentence. Correct option of this question, that is I arrive, but every had already left. This sentence is compound sentence. Then see here, question number 64. What is the synonym of curious? Unconcerned, inquisitive, disinterested, and ordinary. The correct answer of this question, that is option number B. Then see here, question number 65. Find the odd word out and or word in. The correct option of this question is fourth, in. The correct odd word, that is in. Then see here, question number 66. Select the proper prefix. Word, that is merits. Re, de, dis. Demerits. Di is a proper prefix on the before of merits. Then see here, question number 67. Select the odd one out. Canteen, dancer, stage, makeup. 3 words related to each other: dancer, stage, and makeup. Only canteen, the odd words. Then see here, question number 68. She was a devoted wife and look her husband. She was a devoted wife and look dash her husband at, upon, after, for. The correct answer of this question, that is option number third, C, after. She was a devoted wife and look after her husband. And see here, this question based on a participle. On seeing the police, the thief started dash. Run, runs, running, it's running. Correct answer of this question, that is option number third, running. On seeing the police, the thief started running. Then see here, question number 70. Find out the adjective. The word, that is season, and adjective is seasoned. The correct answer of this question, the option number fourth, D. The question number 71. Select the correct question tag. Let us play. Can we? Do we? Shall we? Shalln't we? The correct answer of this question, that is option number third, shall we. Then see here, question number 72. Find it in the blanks with the correct homophones. Please remove dash. Read, reado. Correct answer of this question, that is REED, read. Please remove read. Then see here, question number 72. Changing noun into verb. The noun, the application, and this application noun change in verb. Applicant, apply, appliance, applicable. The correct answer of this question, that is the apply. Then see here, question number 74. Fill in the blanks with correct articles. Mumbai is dash large city. A and the no articles. The see here, Mumbai is a large city. Then last question of the English, that is Sukanya is typing. Find out the tense. Simple past, simple present tense, present continuous tense, and last one is the past perfect tense. Sukanya is typing. The correct answer of this question, that is option number third, present continuous. यानंतर विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आत्ता आपण सामाजिक शास्त्राची असणारे काही प्रश्न पाहूयात की जे परीक्षेला विचारण्याची संभाव्यता आहे. इतिहासाची चिकित्सापूर्वक मांडणी करणाऱ्या संशोधकाला काय म्हणतात? पुरातत्वज्ञ, इतिहासकार, भाषाशास्त्रज्ञ, समाजशास्त्रज्ञ. तर या प्रश्नाचं करेक्ट उत्तर आहे पर्याय क्रमांक 2, इतिहासकार. इतिहासाची चिकित्सापूर्वक मांडणी करणारा संशोधक म्हणजे इतिहासकार. त्यानंतर पहा 77 वाचणारा प्रश्न. हिंदुस्थानचा द्विखंडात्मक इतिहास लिहिताना डॅश डॅश या ब्रिटिश लेखकाची निपक्षपाती वृत्ती दिसून येते. पहा, कर्नल रॉड, विल्यम विल्सन हंटर, जेम्स ग्रँडफ आणि जेम्स मिल. तर विल्यम विल्सन हंटर हे जे आहेत तर यांनी हिंदुस्थानचा द्विखंडात्मक इतिहास लिहिताना ब्रिटिश लेखकाची त्यांनी निपक्षपाती वृत्ती दिसून येते असे पाहितले आहे, दिसले आहे. तर त्यानंतर पहा पुढचा प्रश्न असा आहे की सांस्कृतिक आणि नैसर्गिक वर्षाचे जतन संवर्धन व्हावे या हेतूने या जागतिक संघटनेने दिशादर्शक तत्त्वे जाहीर केलेली आहेत. राष्ट्रसंघ, संयुक्त राष्ट्र, युनेस्को आणि विश्वस्त मंडळ. तर या प्रश्नाचं एकदम अगदी बरोबर उत्तर आहे पर्याय क्रमांक 3, युनेस्को. त्यानंतर पहा पुढचा प्रश्न. उत्तर भारतातील नागर आणि दक्षिण भारतातील द्रविड या दोन मंदिर स्थापत्य शैलीमधून विकसित झालेली असणारी मिश्र शैलीला कोणती शैली म्हणतात? गांधार, मथुरा, भूमिज आणि वेसर. तर या प्रश्नाचं करेक्ट उत्तर आहे पर्याय क्रमांक असणारं 4, वेसर शैली. म्हणजे उत्तर भारतामध्ये नागर आणि दक्षिण भारतामधले द्रविड हे दोन मंदिर स्थापत्य शैली ही जी विकसित झाली आहे तर ही वेसर या मिश्र शैलीतून विकसित झाली आहे. या मिश्र शैलीलाच वेसर शैली असे सुद्धा काय म्हटलेले आहे. त्यानंतर विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो सामाजिक शास्त्रामधला पुढचा प्रश्न असा आहे की पाश्चात्य संगीताचा भारतीय संगीताशी मेळ घालून नवीन शैली विकसित करणाऱ्या कलाकारांत यांचे नाव प्रामुख्याने घ्यावे लागते. झाकीर हुसेन, उदय शंकर, पंडित शिवकुमार शर्मा आणि पंडित रविशंकर. तर या प्रश्नाचं बरोबर उत्तर आहे पर्याय क्रमांक 2, उदय शंकर यांनी पाश्चात्य संगीताचा भारतीय संगीताशी मेळ घालून नवीन शैली विकसित केलेली आहे. त्यानंतर पुढचा प्रश्न आहे सामाजिक शास्त्रामधला, तो म्हणजे प्रश्न क्रमांक 81. डॅश डॅश हे मराठी भाषेतील पहिले वृत्तपत्र आहे? दिनबंधू, प्रभाकर, दर्पण, केसरी. तर दर्पण हे मराठी भाषेमध्ये असणारं पहिलं वृत्तपत्र होय. त्यानंतर विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो सामाजिक शास्त्रामध्ये असणारा पुढचा प्रश्न. 21व्या शतकात डॅश डॅश हा लोकशाहीचा संस्थास्तंभ म्हणून महत्त्वाची भूमिका बजावत आहे? नियतकालिके, वृत्तपत्रे, पुस्तके. याचं करेक्ट उत्तर आहे की वृत्तपत्रे. त्यानंतर पुढचा प्रश्न पहा की 18व्या शतकात डॅश डॅश यांनी दशावतारी खेळ दाखवणारा फड स्थापन करून तो महाराष्ट्रभर नेला? संत गाडगे महाराज, अज्ञानदास, श्यामजी नाईक काळे, तुळशीदास. या प्रश्नाचं बरोबर उत्तर आहे या ठिकाणी श्यामजी नाईक काळे. त्यानंतर पुढचा प्रश्न पहा. भारताचा डॅश डॅश हा राष्ट्रीय खेळ आहे? या प्रश्नाचं उत्तर तर सर्वांना येणं आवश्यकच आहे. हॉकी, क्रिकेट, फुटबॉल, कबड्डी. भारताचा असणारा हॉकी हा राष्ट्रीय खेळ आहे. त्यानंतर पहा विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो लोकशाहीचा गाभा म्हणजे डॅश डॅश होय? प्रौढ मताधिकार, सत्तेचे विकेंद्रीकरण, राखीव जागांचे धोरण आणि न्यायालय निर्णय. तर लोकशाहीचा गाभा म्हणजे सत्तेचे विकेंद्रीकरण. या प्रश्नाचं उत्तर आहे पर्याय क्रमांक 2, सत्तेचे विकेंद्रीकरण. त्यानंतर पुढचा प्रश्न पहा. स्वतंत्र भारतातील पहिले मुख्य निवडणूक आयुक्त म्हणून डॅश डॅश यांची नेमणूक झालेली होती? डॉक्टर राजेंद्र प्रसाद, TN शेषन, सुकुमार सेन, नीला सत्यनारायण. याचं बरोबर उत्तर आहे सुकुमार सेन यांची सर्वप्रथम नेमणूक हे भारतातील पहिले मुख्य निवडणूक आयुक्त म्हणून झालेली होती. त्यानंतर पुढचा प्रश्न, पक्षाला लोकांचा जो पाठिंबा मिळतो त्याला त्या पक्षाचा डॅश डॅश असेही म्हणतात. लोकानुनय, लोकसत्ता, लोकशाही, जनाधार. याचं करेक्ट उत्तर आहे जनाधार. त्यानंतर पुढचा प्रश्न पहा, भारताची जास्तीत जास्त भूसीमा या देशाशी संलग्न आहे. बांगलादेश, पाकिस्तान, चीन आणि नेपाळ. तर याचं बरोबर उत्तर आहे बांगलादेशाला भारताची जास्तीत जास्त भूसीमा ही संलग्न आहे. त्यानंतर पुढचा प्रश्न पहा की राजस्थानच्या मैदानी प्रदेशाला काय म्हणतात. सहारा वाळवंट, कलहारी वाळवंट, थरचे वाळवंट, गोबी वाळवंट. तर राजस्थानच्या मैदानी प्रदेशाला थरचे वाळवंट असे म्हणतात. या प्रश्नाचं उत्तर आहे पर्याय क्रमांक 3 थरचे वाळवंट. त्यानंतर पहा विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, ब्राझीलला किंवा ब्राझीलच्या डॅश डॅश प्रतिरोध प्रकारचा पाऊस पडतो. गियाना उच्चभूमीच्या प्रदेशात, अजस्र गळ्याच्या वाऱ्याकडील बाजूच्या प्रदेशात, अमेझॉन नदीच्या खोऱ्यात आणि पराग्वे पराना खोऱ्यात. याचं करेक्ट उत्तर आहे पर्याय क्रमांक 2 अजस्र गळ्याच्या वाऱ्याकडील बाजूचा प्रदेश. त्यानंतर पुढचा प्रश्न पहा, नर्मदा नदीच्या खोऱ्यात केंद्रित वस्ती आढळण्याचे कारण डॅश डॅश होय. वन आच्छादन, शेतीयोग्य जमीन, उंच सखल जमीन आणि उद्योगधंदे. तर विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, नर्मदा नदीच्या खोऱ्यात केंद्रित वस्ती आढळण्याचे कारण हे शेतीयोग्य जमीन आहे. म्हणजेच या प्रश्नाचं बरोबर उत्तर आहे पर्याय क्रमांक 2 शेतीयोग्य असणारं जमीन. त्यानंतर पुढचा प्रश्न पहा की भारताच्या अतिउत्तरेकडे डॅश डॅश वने आढळतात. भारताची उत्तरेकडील दिशा म्हणजे वरच्या साईडची दिशा काटेरी, पानझडी, हिमालयातील सदाहरित. आपल्याला माहिती आहे भारताच्या उत्तरेला हिमालय आहे, म्हणजेच त्या ठिकाणी वनेसुद्धा ही हिमालयामधील वने आढळणार आहेत. त्यानंतर पुढचा प्रश्न पहा, ब्राझीलमधून मोठ्या प्रमाणावर डॅश डॅश निर्यात केली जाते. खतांची, वाहनांची, कॉफीची आणि यंत्राची. तर विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, ब्राझीलमधून मोठ्या प्रमाणावर कॉफीची निर्यात ही केली जाते. म्हणजे या प्रश्नाचं उत्तर आहे पर्याय क्रमांक असणारं 3 कॉफीची. त्यानंतर पुढचा प्रश्न पहा की भारतातील डॅश डॅश राज्यात लोहमार्ग यांचे विरळ जाळे आढळते. उत्तर प्रदेश, महाराष्ट्र, मध्य प्रदेश आणि राजस्थान. तर पहा भारतामधील राजस्थान राज्यामध्ये लोहमार्ग यांचे विरळ जाळे आढळते. म्हणजे या प्रश्नाचं करेक्ट उत्तर आहे पर्याय क्रमांक 4 राजस्थान. यानंतर विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, पुढचा प्रश्न पहा, डॅश डॅश ही हिमालयाची सर्वात अर्वाचीन पर्वतरांग आहे. शिवालिक, हिमाद्री, अरवली आणि हिमाचल. तर या ठिकाणी हिमालयाची अर्वाचीन पर्वतरांग विचारलं आहे. म्हणजे हिमालयाची असणारी अर्वाचीन पर्वतरांग हे शिवालिक आहे. म्हणजेच या प्रश्नाचं उत्तर आहे पर्याय क्रमांक 1 शिवालिक ही हिमालयाची सर्वात अर्वाचीन पर्वतरांग आहे. यानंतरचा प्रश्न पहा, डॅश डॅश वाढल्यामुळे समाजात धार्मिक तेढ निर्माण होतो. जमातवाद, दहशतवाद, भ्रष्टाचार, जातीयवाद. तर विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, जमातवाद जर वाढला तर त्याचमुळे समाजामध्ये धार्मिक तेढ हे निर्माण होते. म्हणजे या प्रश्नाचं उत्तर आहे पर्याय क्रमांक 1 जमातवाद. त्यानंतर पुढचा प्रश्न पहा की लोकशाही अधिक अर्थपूर्ण करण्यासाठी शासनाने ही उपाययोजना राबवली आहे. आता लोकशाही अधिक अर्थपूर्ण करण्यासाठी शासनानं पहा पक्षांतर्गत निवडणूक, जनकल्याणाचे उपक्रम, सत्तेचे विकेंद्रीकरण, लोकशाही मूल्यांची जपवणूक. तर यामध्ये सत्तेचे विकेंद्रीकरण ही उपाययोजना शासनानं लोकशाही अधिक अर्थपूर्ण करण्यासाठी वापरली आहे. म्हणजेच या प्रश्नाचं उत्तर आहे पर्याय क्रमांक 3 सत्तेचे विकेंद्रीकरण. त्यानंतर विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, सामाजिक शास्त्रामध्ये असणारा पुढचा प्रश्न, पाण्याचे नोबेल समजले जाणारे स्टॉकहोम वॉटर प्राइज हे भारताच्या कोणाला मिळाले आहे किंवा डॅश डॅश यांना मिळाले आहे? डॉक्टर राजेंद्र सिंह चौहान, बिरसा मुंडा, डॉक्टर राजेंद्र सिंह राणा आणि डॉक्टर मिहिर सेन. तर पाण्याचे नोबेल समजले जाणारे स्टॉकहोम वॉटर प्राइज हे डॉक्टर राजेंद्र सिंह राणा यांना मिळाले आहे. म्हणजे या प्रश्नाचं उत्तर आहे पर्याय क्रमांक 4, डॉक्टर राजेंद्र सिंह राणा. त्यानंतर या 11वीसाठी घेण्यात येणाऱ्या कॉमन एंट्रन्स एक्झाम यामध्ये शेवटचा म्हणजे 100वा प्रश्न हा भूगोलाशी संबंधित असणार आहे. तर पहा, अशा प्रकारचा प्रश्न हा तुमच्या सामायिक प्रवेश परीक्षेमध्ये येऊ शकतो. अरबी समुद्रातील लक्षद्वीप बेटे ही डॅश डॅश आहे. मुख्य भागापासून तुटलेल्या भूभागाची बनली आहेत का प्रवाळ बेटे आहेत का ज्वालामुखी बेटे आहेत का खंडीय बेटे आहेत? म्हणजे अरबी समुद्रामध्ये असणारी लक्षद्वीप बेटे हे प्रवाळ बेटे आहेत. म्हणजे या प्रश्नाचं उत्तर आहे पर्याय क्रमांक 2, प्रवाळ बेटे. तर विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, अशाच प्रकारच्या जर तुम्हाला प्रश्नपत्रिकांचा सराव करायचा असेल आणि नवनवीन व्हिडिओ यांची नोटिफिकेशन्स तुम्हाला हवे असतील तर या चॅनलला लाईक करा, शेअर करा आणि विशेषतः सबस्क्राईब करून बेल आयकॉन बटनवर क्लिक करायला विसरू नका. धन्यवाद.